receipts for that. There, is this all yours, Oshkosh?
I don't know.
On March 23, 2024, officers responded to a shoplifting call from Carter's after the suspects had fled the store.
How you doing?
I'm Officer Morales, okay? Basically, want to talk to you about something. You match the description of a female that we're looking for right now. Why you out of breath? What's going on?
Oh, no, I was on the phone. I just got wet.
Okay.
You saw match what?
You match the description of a female we're looking for. You mind if I get your ID?
Yeah. I matched the description.
Did you go on Carter's at all?
Did we do what?
Did you go to Carter's?
I had bought something from there.
So you brought something from there? What did you get?
I got my receipt and everything.
Okay. All right. We'll just get your ID and then we'll
The yellow one that's in the description.
confirm if it's you or not. All right. So she do got a Carter's bag, so she's brought stuff out of
I
there.
got my receipts and everything.
So just act so.
Copy, I'll be on that.
So what?
Oh, she got a Carter's bag?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to figure it out.
I called you guys as she was running the corner, and her breasts were suddenly huge because she stuffed all the product down her shirt and into her purse.
About how much did you think they took?
Probably like $1,000.
$1,000?
Wow.
They took.
You can provide an itemized receipt.
We're out with one of the females. She does have a Carter's bag. But we'll be at the Nike store.
Everything. What did she say about Carter? What was all you said about Carter?
Ma'am, can you just step out the car for me, please? Okay. Let me see your bag.
You're not under arrest. All right. You're just detained right now. All right.
Well, I ain't doing nothing, so I know I ain't under
Put your phone over there.
Okay.
Okay. For right now, you're just going to be detained, okay? So I have to place you in cuffs.
Well, I'm being too clean, though.
You're not under arrest. Like we said, you match the description of somebody that stole items from Carter's. Okay. You have a Carter's bag. And once they come over here where they say it is or not you, then we'll talk to you further on that, right?
Oh, that's still not all my stuff right there.
That's why I said, like, once they confirm it is or not you, if it's not you, then we'll let you go. But it is you, then we'll have a talk about that, right?
I'm just going to read you something too, okay? Because you are entitled to your rights. You're not under arrest. You're just detained, but I have to read you your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to your attorney. I have him here with you now anytime during question. If you cannot afford an attorney, won't be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking, I have an attorney present. All questions will be stopped at your request. You understand your rights?
Yes.
With these rights in mind, you want to talk to me or any one of my partners that come on scene and ask you questions.
Okay.
Yes?
I want to talk to the lady in Carter's because I'm trying to figure out what I'm supposed to do.
What we're trying to figure out too. Apparently, we just got a call about two females matching the description you're wearing. My partner saw you go inside the vehicle, and that's pretty much it. Someone just stealing from Carter's. You have a Carter's
My stuff
bag.
right there.
Okay, but you have a Carter's bag, okay, and we have to make sure that everything's accounted for in that bag.
Okay.
Okay, but that's what we're here for. And it's just kind of a little suspicious that you're not even in the driver's seat. You're in the passenger seat. So where's your friend?
Where's who?
Where's the driver?
My sister? Yeah, I'm waiting on her. She one of these calls. I don't know what she.
Oh, she going to H, you know?
I don't know. I have to call her.
Nope, it's on the east side.
Wish we could grab two of them. One is better than none, right?
You want me to put your phone in your pocket so I don't get over there?
Yeah. Good morning. There's no injury.
How long is it going to take her to get over here?
Who?
Who you waiting on?
I'm waiting on my partner to see.
Basically, go bring somebody over here, right? Say whether it is you or whether it's not you. Like I told you, if it's not you, then we let you go. If it is you, then we'll have a conversation, see what they want to do, right?
Okay.
Let's see what my partner's at. This radio is for right here. Restrooms? I don't know if it's over there or over here somewhere. I have no idea.
There's one all the way down next to Auntie Anne's. That's the only one I know.
Yeah, that's right.
I think they're both negative valid.
Okay, she was in there. I would like to know what she see me took.
Okay. We're going to walk up behind the truck here real quick. Positive ID.
Okay.
Special copies 1932.
So, what's going to happen? I'll go over there and go. Police come over to see you.
What'd you say?
Her sister's walking somewhere. She doesn't know where she's
She was out here with her baby daddy. That's what I'm saying. I don't know if she left with him. I'll have to call her.
Gotcha. Is this your car?
No.
Where's the car you came in?
This is the car I came in, but it's not my car.
She was sitting inside.
Okay. Where's your
All
sister
my
at?
stuff right there. That I got. All my stuff is right there with my receipt.
Gotcha.
So where is she saying?
Where's your sister at?
I don't know. She might have went with her baby daddy. She was out here with him.
You want to call her?
Y'all gonna take this out?
Yeah. You want to call her?
Yeah, I'll call her.
Okay. Let's call her.
I'm not taking off the cuffs.
You want me to call her with the cuffs on?
You set your phone in your hand with the cuffs on.
I know, but it's uncomfortable.
You're just being detained for right now.
Probably takes some children out.
Okay.
Did you leave with Bertha or are you still here? She gone.
Okay. Perfect. We'll do a warrant for her, and then you're gonna be taking a ride too. You can hang up the phone now.
Taking her out for what? I didn't steal
For
anything.
shoplifting.
I have my stuff right here. I didn't steal anything.
We recovered items. Those are the items that apparently she paid for.
Man, this is crazy. So you trying to take me to jail and I didn't take anything?
Well, they have you on camera.
I didn't take anything.
But it says otherwise. That you did.
Where is it on camera? Tell her to show me.
They looked at it already.
They already looked
That's
at
why they called us. They gave the description, they provided description, your sister and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I mean, you taking a ride, she's not. She said she ain't here. She just have a warrant out for arrest.
You're saying you paid for these?
Yes.
Is there a receipt in here for these? Okay.
You guys ready yet or no?
Yeah.
She want to talk?
Yeah, she talked. She said basically, she went in there to buy some stuff. She didn't steal nothing. All that stuff that's on the receipt is stuff that's in the bag. That's about it. Okay.
I thought y'all said y'all was going to get her to identify me so I could show her that I didn't take anything.
She did. She identified you. We put the flashlight in your face. She identified you.
Except this is a receipt from Sanford.
That's what I'm saying. All my stuff is paid for. When I went in there, I was exchanging. She held my stuff at the counter literally for me.
Yeah.
She held my stuff at the counter. So what did I think when you held my stuff at the counter? It's the same bag I had.
What car is y'all's?
That's the same. That's not my car.
Is this the car you guys came in?
No.
She's chilling in. She's just chilling in.
She got in here when I got
It's
in.
her car.
So is there anything in the car?
No.
You got the keys for the car?
No.
Can we search the car?
No.
Well, it's not her car.
It's not mine, and I'm not giving no authority to search nobody's car.
Well, it's not your car, so you can't get that authority anyway.
This is the girl that. So the one lady came in, brought it to the counter. She went behind and already took some baby girl items, left the store, and came back again.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect.
If you're here to take me, go ahead and take me. I ain't got time for all this. Go ahead and do what y'all finna do. She's saying this and that. I know I'm gonna beat it because I didn't steal nothing out of there. So
We'll have security come over and tow it, and we'll just have to do the inventory prior to towing.
oh, what you gotta do?
Oh, you wanted to search
She's
it?
saying she sold me something. She lying. She didn't see me steal nothing. Let me see my phone.
No, it's okay.
No, hang it up because it's calling somebody. I didn't try to call nobody. You can hang it up. It's calling somebody. Could you hang it up? I don't know who's on the phone. I don't know who's on my phone. Could you hang it up?
We'll do it in a second.
Let's go over here. So
Like you got somebody sitting on my phone. I don't know who that is.
Okay.
let's go over here. I got stuff in my back seat, so I can put it back there.
Go right here to this tower.
I've been very naive and innocent all day. And I feel like logging it. Like, let me at least let somebody know what's going on. Like,
We do it.
no, I'm saying let me call somebody and let them know what's going
We
on.
have to search you, okay, before you go in.
Okay.
Okay. When we get to our police department, the officers over there, I'm pretty sure they'll let you call somebody or give you a number where you
Can
can call.
I call her?
She needs to do her job now. We have to do our job.
She claimed that she had to do an exchange because she had twin baby boys that were a year old.
Yeah, but look at this. Card declined, canceled. Card declined, canceled. So they're using stolen credit cards. Look at all these different cards that are declined.
Perfect.
Whoa.
Canceled, canceled, canceled.
Okay, good.
Declined. Declined.
We'll see if it's on her property now. And
Fine.
on video, it's going to show her stuff and all the stuff in her.
It
This
should
is a
be.
no sale. Every single transaction on here is declined.
Hey, you want to go see the video? You want
Yeah.
watch it on my iPhone.
I'll go in there real quick. If he can just, does he have her in the car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Quarter.
Yeah.
Get her out there.
All those transactions are declined transactions.
Where is that? My phone ringing?
Huh?
Is that my phone ringing?
Okay. We'll go watch your feet.
There's another big bag up here. Cool. So we need itemized receipts for that. There. Is this all yours, Oshkosh?
I don't know.
Yeah.
The other suspect driver license. Want me to run it?
Yeah.
Yes. This is
This is all Carter's.
Well, I got one in. Grab the other one.
This one's heavy as hell.
That's our stuff too.
Yeah, this is all Carter's.
I dropped one.
Go ahead.
It's gonna have a felony hold on it.
Huh?
It's gonna have a felony hold on it
Why would it have a felony hold on it?
because I'm putting a felony hold on it.
Why are you putting a felony hold on it?
Because they're using this to commit a massive amount of retail theft and fraud.
But Vina just stopped me from the jail. They let her use her phone. Oh, I came here.
Gotcha. Well, regardless, the other girl was nice enough to leave her wallet and ID and everything.
Your car is keeping the whole.
Were you at the window? Oh, how can we help you today? What kind of property?
My wallet and my phone.
We're just gonna step through these doors here. If you wouldn't mind just putting your phone on the counter here. And just go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. Have you ever been arrested before?
Vina. Oh, yeah, so they doing it here. The jail picture.
Go have a seat. I got to show you. I can give you some.
And I'll go ahead and ask property about your property for you, okay? Yes, ma'am.
You gonna tell me what they say?
Yeah, I'll come back and tell you.